Hi guys, let's look at this ASVAB tutorial video lesson on volume of a cylinder. The question says, what is the volume of a cylinder with a radius of 4 inches and a height of 6 inches? This is a very simple question. Before we go ahead to do the calculation, we need to identify what a cylinder is. So this shape we have here is a cylinder. A cylinder is a 3D shape that has two circular ends connected by a curved surface. The volume of a cylinder and also the volume of any 3D shape is the space inside the 3D shape. So you can see I have some whiteboard markers inside this 3D shape. They are occupying the volume of this cylinder. How do we calculate the volume of the cylinder? We are going to multiply the area of the circular base by the height. Once you do that, you've calculated the volume or the space inside this cylinder. So what is the formula of area of a circle? The formula for area of a circle is pi radius squared. So we're going to be multiplying this with the height. Therefore, the formula for the volume of a cylinder is equal to pi radius squared multiplied by height. Okay? So pi is a constant equal to either 22/7 or 3.14. In this question, we are given the radius to be 4 inches and we're also given the height to be 6 inches. So volume is equal to 3.14. 3.14 represents 5 multiplied by 4 squared. 4 squared means 4 times 4 multiplied by 6. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 6 is 96. So this means the volume is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 96. So how do we go about multiplying this decimal by this whole number? Whenever you're multiplying a decimal, assume that there is no decimal. So we are simply going to do 314 multiplied by 96. So although we have a decimal here, but we just assume that there is no decimal. So let's go ahead to multiply. 6 times 4 is 24, so we have 4. We bring 2 here. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 times 3 is 18. Now we multiply using 9. 9 times 4 is 36. Here we have 6. We bring 3 up here. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 3 is 12. And then 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 1, 28. 4 plus nothing is 4. 8 plus 6 is 14. So we have 4 here and we'll bring 1 over here. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. We bring 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 8 is 10. And we'll bring 1 here. 1 plus 2 is 3. Going back to the original question, we can see that there are two numbers behind the decimal point in the question. So in our answer, there will be two numbers behind the decimal point. So this means the volume is 301.44 inch cube. So which of these options is the correct one? Option C. Very simple. Hope you understood the lesson. If you're preparing for the ASVAB test and you need one-to-one tutoring, you can contact me through the mail in the description. And also don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next one. Bye.